Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is one of the healthy and delicious Marathi style recipes which you can make anytime. All you need is the sprouted beans and the rest is easy. Let's see how to make it. Come on. Here I have the dried green chana and we'll have to hydrate the beans overnight for best results. You will see them plump up, and now it's time to sprout them by straining the water in a colander and leaving them that way for 1 or 2 days to fully sprout. Wow, look how well they have sprouted. Keep these aside for a while until we make the rest of the prep work. For the masala paste, which is the most important for the main flavor, we will combine fresh grated coconut, green chilies, garlic, tomatoes and coriander leaves and blend this to a thick paste. Perfect. Let's go ahead with the main curry. I have finely chopped the onions so they can cook quickly. We will use all the masala paste that we made earlier and saute until you see the oil separating. Now these are basic everyday spices that enhance the flavor. Give it a good mix and then we will add in the sprouted beans. Mix well and add hot water. We will mix this and bring this to a boil. Cover and cook this approximately for 25 minutes and check for doneness. This is a semi-thick gravy and you can always add more water if needed. These are cooked perfectly. Jaggery to balance all the flavors. We will cover and allow the flavors to mingle. A final garnish and we are good to go. A perfect sprouted green chana curry is ready and hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next week. Bye.